guys, I wanted to show you some flower names from flowers that we grew here on the farm. If we haven't met yet, my name is Kelly Lehman and this is my dog Lucy, and I'm the owner of Cranbury Fields Flower Farm in Cranbury, New Jersey. So these are some of the flowers that we have. Hello, I see you. This is called Catmint. This is a perennial that will come back every year. These are Zinnias. We grew these from seed. They come in all different colors. This is Ring of Fire Sunflower. We grew these from seed also. And then we've got Cosmos here. This variety is called Double Click, and they're very, very petally. They're very fluffy. These guys are Celosia. There's two different types of Celosia here. We've got Brain Celosia, also called Cockscomb Celosia, and then we've got some Wheat Plume Celosia. And then we've got some Solidago over here. Now the Cosmos and the Celosia and the Ring of Fire Sunflower and the Zinnias were all grown from seed. Super easy. This is a Variegated Weigela. This is a perennial that comes back every year here in Zone 6. And then we've got Limelight Hydrangea over here and over here. This is a perennial that's super easy to grow in your garden. And it's drying out right now, so it's in the green and red stage. So it's a great time to cut that. It's a great time to cut Limelight when it's green and pink instead of white, because it has a better vase life. And so this is just some of the flowers that we're growing here. And if you would like to send someone flowers, we ship nationwide here in the United States. So we don't ship to Alaska and Hawaii, but all the other states we ship to. So you can check us out at cranberryfields.com, and you can also subscribe to our channel. We like to give lots of flower tips. And we also have a flower blog at cranberryfields.com, and you can join our flower family there. Have a great day, everybody. If you liked our video, please give us a like and a comment also.